If you're using Claude and want to stay 95% ahead of all the Claude users, then this video is for you. So basically, Anthropic published full masterclass on Claude for free. Most people have never opened a single page of it. So I have packed this complete masterclass into 5 sections and 19 slides for you with the links for ease of use. So let's go. The first section is Cookbooks. Number 1, agent skills. The exact folder Anthropic uses to teach Claude how to build Word, Excel and PDF files. So it's basically Anthropic's own skills repo. So try this. Clone the repo, drop one skill folder into your skills directory and prompt Claude to use it. Number 2, Claude Cookbooks. Ready-made notebooks for RAG, vision and tool use. So what it is? Ready-made recipes for classification, summarizing, RAG, vision, tool use and prompt caching. So try this. Open the notebook closest to your job and swap in your own prompt. Nothing else. So number 3, Claude Quick Starts. Full apps you can run locally in 10 minutes. So what it is? Apps you can run a support agent, a financial analyst, browser automation and autonomous coder. So try this. Clone the customer support agent Quick Start first. It runs locally in about 10 minutes. So here comes the 4th, the meta prompt. Paste a rough task in and it writes your first draft for you. So what it is? No idea how to start a prompt. This notebook writes your first draft for you. So try this. Paste your rough task into the top cell, run it and treat the output as V1, not the final version. So here's the second section, that is prompting guides. So 5th one, prompting best practices, the one page you should read before any other. So what it is? The living reference, clarity, examples, XML, roles, thinking, tool use, agentic systems. So you can try this, read it once, end to end, then keep the tab open the next time you write a real prompt. So it helps you to write a prompt into the Claude very efficiently. So here's the 6th one, that is Fable 5, the most capable model of Claude. So it is the most capable model Anthropic has released till date, and what to change in your prompts for it. So read it before you hand Fable 5 a genuinely hard multi-day task, not a quick loop. So this model is not for a daily routine task which you do for a quick starters. So this is very deeper version for your heavy task. So here's the 6th one, that is Opus 5. It is default for agentic coding. So this is the everyday default Anthropics recommend. It is built for agentic work and steady daily lifting. So here's the 8th slide, Sonnet 5, the speed and cost pick. So it's the speediest and brains pick and where most of your daily production work should sit. So try this, move your highest volume prompts here first. You will notice the speed before the savings. So here's the 9th slide, the model migration guide. Read this before you upgrade a live prompt. So what it is, what breaks silently when you upgrade a production prompt and how to catch it first. So just go through this model migration guide. It will help you a lot to maintain your production prompts. So try this, read this before you migrate a production prompt, not after something that breaks in the logs. So here's the 3rd section, Claude Code, the full manual. So coming to our 10th slide, that is Claude Code Doc, the full manual for the terminal agent. So it's the full manual for the terminal agent, basically a full version of Claude that lives in your terminal, IDE and desktop app. Try this, skim the overview, then run /init inside a real project and read what it writes back. So here's the 11th slide, Claude Code best practices. So context management and Claude.md. Verify your work loops, plan mode, Claude.md, sub agents and parallel sessions. This is what it is all about. And just try this, copy the Claude.md pattern into one real project of yours, then check how it changes every session after it. Coming to our 12th slide, that is Agent SDK. Build your own agents on the same harness. So basically you can build your own agents on the exact same harness Claude Code runs on, right? So try this, read the comparison table first and understand how it tells you if you even need the SDK or just the CLI. So here's the 13th slide, that is MCP docs. So wire Claude into your own tools and data. So you have to understand that what is model context protocol over here. Just go to the link and check it out. So what it is, basically it wires the Claude into your own tools in data, and so it reads live instead of guessing. So basically what MCP is model context protocol. Basically, just an example I'm giving you over here, you're using a phone and it has a hub, USB hub. So basically it acts like a MCP. It is a connector. You can connect your USB to your phone, to your laptop, to your charger, or any other electronic device. MCP acts like that. It's a hub. It helps you connect to the other available applications. So here's the 14th slide, that is plugins and sub-agents. So package your setup and offload the heavy stuff. So what it is all about, it's how to package your setup into one shareable plugin and offload heavy tasks to isolated sub-agents. So try this, build one sub-agent for the task that keeps flooding your main context window. So it gives you complete details regarding the plugins and how to use them, and basic complete guide. So here's the fourth section, that is courses. Do this today. So coming to our 15th slide, that is interactive tutorials. It has 9 chapters you actually run. So what it is all about, it leads a beginner to advanced section with exercises you actually do, not just read. So you can try like do chapters 1 and 2 today. They take about 20 minutes combined. So you can start with small chapters and then move on to the next chapters. So here comes the 16th slide, Anthropic full courses. 5 full courses available on GitHub. So they consist of API fundamentals, prompting, real world prompting, evaluations, and tool use. So you must do this, and try skip the API course unless you write code and start on real world prompting instead. So here comes the 17th slide, that is Anthropic Academy. So Anthropic has their own platform taught by the team that builds Claude. So it includes Claude Code in action, skills, and MCPs. And you can try like sign in and take Claude Code in action first. It's the one that changes how you work. So here comes the 5th section, that is engineering write-ups. Coming to our 18th slide, that is building effective agents. So 7 patterns named and diagrammed. So what it is, basically it has the 7 patterns and named and drawn. So it helps in prompt chaining, routing, parallelization, orchestrator workers, and more. So you can try like read the screen patterns and name which one your current workflow already is. So here comes the last slide, that is 19th, effective context engineering. It helps you understand why long chats fall apart and the 3 fixes: compaction, nodes, subagents. So it helps you to understand why long chats get worse. So you can try like apply the 3 fixes next time a long chat starts drifting off the original brief. So if you can relate, there are quite long chats happening into the Claude, right? You're working from a long hours, and a chats get piled up into the single chat window. So Claude get hallucinated, and also things get disturbed. Also, you don't get the clear answers. So these are the 3 fixes which help you to navigate to a more effective usage. So that's it. All 19 resources I'll paste into the comment section. Go check it out. If you found this useful, then please do follow and subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care.